good evening. Good evening to all present here. Myself Aarti Sherkar and I am from Standard 9. My today's topic is about Uyghur Muslims. So let's start first the history of it. On 28th of August 1945, an official documentary report compiled from the films made by a military photographer, Nazi concentration camps. So what is the Nazi concentration camp? From 1933 to 1945, Nazi Germany operated more than 1,000 concentration camps on its own territory. They had established the concentration camps in their own territory and in the part of German occupied Europe. The first camp were established in March 1933. Immediately after, the Adolf Hitler became the ruler of the Germany, and the bodies of the person were disposed in oven, which can dispose 400 bodies in a day or in 10 hours. They have been tortured very cruelly by the Nazi government. Means they have been tortured. They didn't give the food, water, and they have been harassed very hardly. Now the same is happening in China. So what is happening currently in China and what they want to, why they are doing so. So the Uyghur Muslims in the Xinjiang province and the Chinese Hans is decades old, but after 2009, China has become absolutely aggressive towards the Uyghur Muslim population. Now in 2010, it has become global human rights issue due to increase on attacks on the Uyghur Muslims in 2018. The Human Rights Panel reveals that the China has kept 10 lakhs of Uyghur Muslims in the extreme centers, is also known as the detention camp. But the China terms those camps as vocational training centers, reducing camps or re-education camps. Uyghur Muslims is an indigenous authentic group of northwest China. In Uyghur Muslims, the region of Xinjiang province, they are above than the 10 million people. 10 millions of Uyghur Muslims. But after the Cultural Revolution, many Hans Chinese migrated to the Xinjiang province, causing a demographic change in the region in 1950s. Uyghur Muslims in Xinjiang were 76%, which are later converted into 43%. Now Hans in Xinjiang are 40%. The conflict between the Hans and the Uyghur Muslims were old, but the capital of Xinjiang, Urmik, on July 2009, there was a violent outbreak in that 200 people were killed and 1,700 people were injured. In the peoples who was killed were the Hans. After the 2009, the violent outbreaks between Hans and Uyghur Muslims increased. For the violence, the Xinjiang province, China has been blamed the East Turkestan Islamic Movement, ETIM, which has also been designed by the US State Department as the most militant of the authentic Uyghur separation group. But the ETIM did not take the blame on them. The Pakistan Muslims are called as the Pakistan is calling the China as their best friend, but the Chinese general, he is said in an interview that in front of us the status of Pakistan is like a dog. Means they want that the Pakistani peoples or the Uyghur Muslims, they want to destroy they want to destroy them from the China, and they want the Chinese people rule over there. Thank you, sir.